Radiology Behind the Scenes, created by Mark Struthers, narrated by AI for clarity.
Hi, this is Mark Struthers. In reflecting on my years working with medical imaging, as an administrator and educator who was fortunate enough to lecture nationally and internationally, I thought it would be of interest to get a brief perspective, looking at the day-to-day of being a radiology/medical imaging administrator. I spent a number of years as a director of radiology. My educational credentials are a bachelor's degree in business administration from Angelo State University ASU and Bachelor of Science degree in radiologic technology from Midwestern State University MSU. The technical registrations/certifications I received range from a certified medical radiographer in Texas to ARRT certifications in radiography and magnetic resonance imaging, and American Board of Imaging Informatics designation as a certified imaging informatics professional. I would like to share my impressions of the skill set that a radiology/medical imaging department head is expected to be familiar with if not proficient in. Please review my other presentations for more information concerning business aspects, technical application, legal parameters, and ethics of medical imaging. The insights and strategies presented are designed to empower department heads to take proactive steps in addressing management challenges. It also prompts department heads to consider their careers and opportunities for advancement. In the realm of radiology, the role of a salaried department head is both demanding and multifaceted. This position requires a blend of clinical expertise, administrative acumen, and department head technical and managership skills. The emerging trends or needs for radiology management expertise are the knowledge of both technical and administrative practices for all modalities and services provided. The limited insights and strategies presented in this discussion are designed to empower department heads to take proactive steps in addressing management challenges. The emerging trends or needs for radiology management expertise are the knowledge of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning is being increasingly integrated into radiology to assist with image analysis, improve diagnostic accuracy, and streamline workflows. AI can help detect anomalies, quantify measurements, and reduce the workload on radiologists and staff. Web-based enterprise imaging systems. These systems are replacing traditional PACS, picture archiving and communication systems, allowing clinicians to access images and reports from any workstation anywhere. This enhances collaboration and improves access to advanced imaging tools. Hospitals are moving towards cloud-based storage solutions for medical images and patient data. This approach offers scalability, cost-effectiveness, and enhanced cybersecurity. Teleradiology and remote collaboration. The rise of teleradiology allows radiologists to provide services remotely, improving access to radiology expertise in underserved areas. Remote collaboration tools also facilitate better communication among healthcare professionals. Advanced visualization techniques. Innovations in imaging technology are enabling more detailed and accurate visualizations. Techniques such as 3D and 4D imaging and functional imaging, as well as photon detection CT scanning, are becoming more prevalent. Patient-centered communication. There is a growing emphasis on improving communication with patients. This includes providing clearer explanations of imaging results and involving patients more in their care decisions. Health equity. Efforts are being made to address disparities in healthcare access and outcomes. As we all know, a not-for-profit hospital must make a profit, and all individuals coming through the emergency department must be seen and/or treated. Radiology is focusing on ensuring that all patients receive high-quality imaging services, regardless of their circumstances or background. Middle management in healthcare, such as Department of Radiology heads, face unique challenges in both the art and science of providing medical healthcare. The primary goal of a corporation is to make profit for their stakeholders while healthcare supposedly is health-centric. Here are some daily challenges. 1. Balancing multiple responsibilities. Operational efficiency. Ensuring the smooth operation of their department while managing day-to-day tasks and long-term projects. Resource allocation. Balancing the allocation of limited resources, including staff, equipment, and budget, to meet the needs of the department. 2. Communication and coordination. Bridging gaps. Acting as a bridge between upper management and frontline staff, ensuring that communication flows effectively in both directions. Interdepartmental collaboration. coordinating with other departments to ensure seamless patient care and efficient use of resources. 3. Staff management and development, recruitment and retention, attracting and retaining skilled staff in a competitive market. Training and development, providing ongoing training and professional development opportunities to ensure staff stay current with the latest practices and technologies. Finally, quality improvement and compliance. Department heads and managership play a crucial role in managing radiology staff by addressing various challenges and ensuring the smooth operation of the department. Common to most job descriptions for a department head in medical imaging/radiology are: 1. Vision and strategy. Setting goals. Department heads and managers are responsible for setting clear goals and objectives for the radiology department, aligning them with the overall mission of the healthcare facility. Strategic planning. Effective department heads and managers develop strategic plans to address current challenges and future needs, ensuring the department remains competitive and innovative. 2. Team building and collaboration. Fostering teamwork. Department heads and managers promote a collaborative work environment, encouraging teamwork and open communication among radiology staff. Delegation. Department heads and managers delegate responsibilities to trusted department heads and managers and staff, empowering them to take ownership of their tasks and contribute to the department's success. 3. Professional development. Training and education. Department heads and managers ensure that radiology staff receive ongoing training and education to stay updated with the latest advancements in imaging technology and best practices. Mentorship. Department heads and managers provide mentorship and support to staff, helping them grow professionally and achieve their career goals. 4. Managing change. Adaptability. Department heads and managers must be adaptable and capable of managing change, especially in a rapidly evolving field like radiology. Innovation. Department heads and managers encourage innovation and the adoption of recent technologies, such as artificial intelligence, to improve diagnostic accuracy and efficiency. 5. Quality and compliance. Quality control. Department heads and managers ensure that the department maintains exact standards of quality control, meeting diagnostic requirements and regulatory standards. Compliance. Department heads and managers are responsible for ensuring compliance with various regulations and standards, such as those set by the Joint Commission and the American College of Radiology. 6. Addressing workload and burnout. Workload management. Department heads and managers manage workloads effectively to prevent burnout among radiology staff, ensuring a healthy work-life balance. Support systems. Department heads and managers implement support systems and resources to help staff cope with stress and maintain their well-being. The role of a department head in radiology encompasses a wide range of responsibilities. These include overseeing the daily operations of the department, managing staff, ensuring compliance with regulations, and maintaining exact standards of patient care. Additionally, department heads are often involved in budgeting, strategic planning, and quality improvement initiatives. Are job satisfaction and benefits reflective of the work environment for these department heads? One of the primary concerns for salaried department heads is the comparison between their compensation and that of hourly employees. Hourly employees, such as radiologic technologists, often receive overtime pay, shift differentials, and other financial incentives that can significantly boost their earnings. In contrast, salaried department heads typically do not receive additional pay for extra hours worked, which can lead to a perception of inequity. Numerous factors influence the compensation of both salaried and hourly employees in radiology. These include education and certification requirements, years of experience, and the complexity of job duties. For department heads, additional factors such as department head and managership responsibilities, administrative tasks, and the need for advanced clinical knowledge also come into play. Work-life balance is another critical factor to consider when evaluating compensation. Hourly employees may have more flexibility in their schedules, allowing them to balance work and personal life more effectively. In contrast, salaried department heads often work long hours and may be on call during evenings and weekends. This demanding schedule can affect their work-life balance and overall job satisfaction. We will explore how these differences in work-life balance can influence perceptions of compensation fairness. Organizations must comply with labor laws, wage and hour regulations, and anti-discrimination laws when determining compensation. For department heads, understanding these legal requirements is essential for advocating for fair compensation. Job satisfaction and retention are intricately linked to compensation. When department heads feel that their compensation is not competitive or fair, it can lead to decreased job satisfaction and higher turnover rates. This, in turn, can impact the overall functioning of the radiology department and lead to a game of musical chairs, with many department head candidates coming and going over time. Human resources, HR, play a vital role in determining and managing compensation structures. HR professionals are responsible for conducting market research, developing compensation policies, and ensuring compliance with labor laws. Most importantly, HR is designed to protect employees, but to protect management. HR is a pipeline to management overview of employees. Addressing pay disparities requires a comprehensive approach that includes regular compensation reviews, market analysis, and adjustments as needed. Organizations should strive to identify and rectify any inequities in their pay structures to ensure that all employees are fairly compensated for their work. Professional development opportunities can play a significant role in enhancing the compensation of department heads. By pursuing advanced certifications, attending industry conferences, and participating in department heads and managership training programs, department heads can increase their value to the organization and potentially negotiate higher salaries. For department heads, finding a balance between financial and non-financial rewards is essential for overall job satisfaction. Organizational cultural environment can significantly influence job satisfaction as well. A culture that values transparency, equity, and employee well-being can enhance job satisfaction and reduce feelings of inequity. For department heads, working in an organization with a positive culture can mitigate some of the challenges associated with current compensation for the position.